this video, I will show you how to GitHub commit and push changes. To get started, go ahead and open your project into your chosen IDE. And once you have opened your project into your chosen IDE, go ahead and open the terminal. On your terminal, go ahead and enter git status. So this will allow you to check your git status. Now, after that, you need to go ahead and stage your changes. So go ahead and enter git add space period and then hit on that enter button. But if you want to actually stage specific changes such as specific files, so you can go ahead and just enter git add space the file name and then the corresponding file type of that file. So after you do that, you'll need to go ahead and commit with a message. So you can simply enter this. So enter git commit space -m, describe your changes here. So this will allow you to commit with a message. You'll be able to know which are the changes that has been made into your GitHub repository. So once you enter that, you'll be able to find the changes made for your repository, and then you can go ahead and push your changes to GitHub by entering git push origin main. And once you hit on enter, you'll be able to upload your changes to your GitHub repository. And that's basically how you can commit and push changes.